Small class sizes, environmentally friendly, amazing dedicated teachers. You can expect the best here at Crosslake. Hi, I'm Dr. Jenna Ledbetter here at the beautiful campus in Crosslake, Minnesota, where we partner with our authorizer, Osprey Wilds, to provide exceptional education spanning core academics to environmentally sound offerings. Our building offers a variety of environmental opportunities, spanning core academics through environmental projects, whether it's with our solarium, on-site, in-house, or beyond.
My name is Dorothy and I'm in first grade. It's fun. I like to learn about stuff. We go on nature walks. We go to field trips and we like to play at the playground.
My name is Avery Larson and I am in 8th grade going into 9th grade. The small class sizes are less stressful and they kind of get us more outside. Miss Vite, she's just super funny and she's super kind. She always gets us doing something like super fun and active.
I feel like I couldn't teach anywhere else. It's a feeling that you get when you walk in the door. The kids here, you know, it's a small school. It feels like just a small happy family. I mean, everybody knows each other. You know, all the kids, all the teachers are able to support every student. You know, middle schoolers, preschoolers that all come running up to all the teachers, and teachers just step in and help. But I think it's definitely the community feel to it, the family part of it. The community around the school is just so supportive. You know, I don't know, it's hard, man. It's hard to put it into words. This is just a great place. It really is.
My name is Annette Klang. I'm the seat-based director at the Crosslake Community School. The first things that we would showcase as part of our environmental education is the fact that we do have a national certified forest right here on the property. We have that going for us. We are trying a lot of new initiatives such as a butterfly garden and various things that are going to be spurring kids on to learn more about our environment and to be more aware of it. We also have our solarium, which has a full functioning aquaponics system. Kids love that. As the director, I try to tell the teachers every single day as much as possible, this could be the best part of every kid's day, so we have to make sure that we are offering the best of us and the best thing that we can give these kids. Our theme this last year was based on the starfish story, and that's making a difference with one kid at a time. And that's what we try to do every single day. Try to celebrate throughout the year. However, at the very end of the year, we really make it up big so kids just know this is one of the best things I've ever taken part in.
When I think about all the students that we have here at our beautiful Crosslake campus, I think about all the learners here in this school. They're different, they're unique, they're looking for something that's out of the box and innovative. If that speaks to you, we're the place for you. We get our hands dirty, we get outside, we have fun, we see the sunshine more than we see the lights in the classroom. Here at Crosslake Community School, we are technologically savvy. We're environmentally sound, we're innovative, because that's what matters. We provide learning that's the next level to ensure our students are prepared for the present, but most importantly, their futures.
2 unique schools, 1 unified district. Crosslake Community Schools, where learning fits life.